broken smelting furnace. Where am I supposed to go? What is it? Is lava? What the hell are those? Oh! Grab! Oh wait, I can grapple to them. Oh. What the hell? It's another... What the hell is this? Oh, fucking make you so... No, go down. But I got no clear path for where to go. Like, at least give me like pointers on where to go. Like, what? Is this where I'm supposed to go? Hopefully. I'll just stick with this now because I have no clue what to do. The hell? I'm gonna get jumped. What? Another D-line. Hold up, hold up. Oh, they explode as well on death. Okay, D-line already. Nice. Get this something up leather. What are those? What? Fucking hell! I was supposed to heal. But then fucking, I don't know. It's not like the hedgehog, no, but he's fucking on fire. Another D-line to activate. Okay. Why? D-line, okay. Okay, I need to go through there. Okay, this must be where I got the lava one. Come on. Wait, let's see it. Oh. It's gonna be something new. Pretty sure I got a lot of those. Oh, what is this? I think there's an opening ahead. I bet Guy can break through that wall. But it's too narrow for us. What's this? Blocking stone again. I got like at least 20 of these, I swear. So I can't go through here at all. That was all of it. Through here. I'm getting... There we go. Okay. Load. Oh shit. No, 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 no. Get off! There we go. Oh, these bears again. What? Not seen them in a while, damn. Okay, luckily they're not modified bears. Ooh. Soldier's log again, okay. Come on, there's gotta be something over here though, like. Okay. Bossy. That giant pipe's broken and it's leaking lava. Did Janine Gaia's landing cause this? I don't know. Are we still in the... Okay, still in the furnace. There's gotta be a checkpoint somewhere. Come on. Yeah, past these goddamn turrets. Nope, nope, I am not finding you. How do I get past this? Anyways? Just in case. Can I dash through? No. Oh, there's a checkpoint there. Okay. What the fuck? Whoa, whoa. Go around this. Okay. Fuck it. That's a crab? How's this? Where the fuck am I? I can't go through there. What the hell? Torrent. Okay, can go over there. What? Oh, Mikuso, what the hell? Okay, it's gotta be boss, come on. There we go. Wait, okay, no. Side. What the? Okay, nope, never mind. Go on, even further beyond. What the hell is this? Os. Yes! Vulcan Ursa. I fought this there before. Ow. Ow. Oh, he's dead. Oh, this. Oh, okay, okay. I did not know there's a twin. Okay. I'm waiting for. Oh, it's not another one. Okay, I'm at what? The fuck? I've gone through all this, not seen a fucking maze. That's crazy.
Speak of the fucking devil.
My god. Okay. Alright, let's try this maze. I don't know what it'll get me, but like, you know. Definitely not gonna do that good though. Like I'm already fucking out. One. Music always goes hard though. Okay, I only eat that many ghosts then. There we go. I can never do a neutral jump. I swear. Okay, I can do this jump. There we go. What the hell is in the middle? How's this? Oh, they align it to me. Okay. Is it 16 seconds past the time? Damn. I'm throwing this. What's this? Decoy. Oh. Does he eat for me as well? Wait, was it like wife? No. I left a decoy. That's not what I meant to do. Decoy. Yeah. Oh, do I not even need to touch it? I mean, I guess I kind of need to go past them at least. There we go. Oh, what's this? Oh. Come here, boy. Where are they going? Where they going? Damn. 14 se- Oh my god, I'm throwing this. Big ghost. But new. Okay, I need to fucking figure this out. Bro. It's not turning where I wanted it to turn. And I'm fucking this up.
2,000 years later.
Some bullshit. I'll come back to this though. I'm coming back to this. What the fuck is that? G-bug? I died. Fuck you, G-bug. No, wait. Hold up. Oh shit. I mean, I keep on moving though. I mean, I don't need lives for the end part, so that'll be it. No. 50, yes, there we go. Okay. Yeah, right. Okay, I just need to use this. Come here, boy. I got 1 minute as well to do this. There we go. Come on. Die. Come on. Nope. Come on. There we go.
Let's go!
Come on. Eat.
Eat!
Oh, okay, that above that. Oh, I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck about those.
Let's go!
Get the other ghost. Hopefully. Yeah, closer. Pinky symbol 1. There we go. Okay, G-Bug, if you're here, I'm ready. Shit, he's not here. Just some random encounter. That's so random that he just spawned there. Oh, wait, no, wait. What's it? Tripping. Nothing up here. D-line. What is this? How far down am I going? Can't go through. Can I go through here? Gaia. It's fucking called fit. Oh, it's timing as well. There we go. Okay. Okay. Can I dash through it? Oh, I can. Okay. What's it? Okay. Shit. Yes, nice. Oh, yes, go. Okay, well.
Watch me!
That was worth it. Mikuso right here as well. This is God tier. Yeah, I can go this way then. Because I've already gone through everything up there. It's gonna be this way then. Speed right in through here. Get down here. What's here then? Oh, hell no. Oh, I'm getting jumped. Oh, these are so tanky. Oh, hell no. How was it? Shield? There we go. I got quite a lot of aura now. I should probably upgrade something when I get the chance to. Okay, through here. Okay. What? Ooh, I get that open. Nice, I get that open. Okay. We're getting somewhere. I can't go through there. I don't have like double jump or some shit you need. Chains. What the f- oh. It's gonna be like a big entity or something. Oh, there we go. They're jumping me again. Oh, I ain't risking that shit. Oh my god, okay. Right, alright, chill out. There we go. I should keep on doing that. Like, I need to learn how to do that. Well, not learn how to do that, like, get used to it. Change that. Can't break that. Through here. Oh, Gaia. Hold up, Gaia. Wait, through here. It's another place. Just need to eat stuff with Gaia. Not with Gaia. Oh yeah. Like eat stuff with Gaia, but like fucking eat stuff for Gaia. Break the wall. Nice. Okay, what is through here? Tombstone of the fallen soldiers. What the fuck? Maybe some undead shit? How's that? What the fuck? Can't break that. We're losing all visibility. It's gonna be a tough journey in the dark. The pack support funk ball we met in the wastelands. I think his name was Nick. It should have night vision. If we can use that somehow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh nah. Oh nah. Oh nah. Keeps getting darker. Oh. I see something over there. Oh. That's not really something we should be touching, but I guess. Activate. We're back in the light. These remains. Unnamed UGSF soldiers will help us. What? That's kind of dark. Look, I know something's gonna come out of these fucking corpses. No doubt in my mind. They should have fucking red flag. Jesus. Oh, skull. Nice. Oh, fucking spikes. That scared the shit out of me. Jesus. This is a horror game. Follow on horror game. And it's just these guys, they're not. Oh damn! It's got slam attack! That does damage. Oh, I'm gonna die. No, no. Heal. Skull. It's up there. Okay, well, I'm not getting that. If there's a Mikuso, that would be good. Oh, checkpoint. That's also something. What the fuck are those? Oh hell no! Alright, get away from me. Stay back. Whoa, 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 these are big bats. Ow. Okay, I need to get up there. Oh, no. No! There we go. Yes, bitch. Now I can see all. I know of the, eye shit. Eye bats, not eye bats. Oh my god. Ooh. Oh, nah. I'm cocked, I'm cocked, I'm cocked. Yep. Okay, right under the prison. It's down here then. Shit dark as fuck, man. Okay, there's gotta be like a boss or something down here, come on. Oh fuck, even a Mikuso would help. Let's see, oh wait, hold up, light. Oh wait, how the fuck can I get up there though? Different area. Nice. Shit's scary as fuck, man. I found a secret. What the shit? What the shit? Oh, Soldier's Log 1. Oh no. Oh, I found the fist. Through here. There's got a light in here though. Don't know if I can get up there. Nah, I don't have it. There's no grapple shit up there either. Let's go down. The throne. Oh, not this again. I'm at the throne again. Okay, that's just. Oh my god. Another maze. Oh, you're joking. Oh, what the fuck? I'm getting jumped as soon as I go down there. Okay. So just log 2. I'm not trying that maze just yet. I mean, it'll always be marked anyways. And yeah, it was in the progression. Oh my god, what the fuck? Oh my god. So close. The fuck? Get through there and activate something. Oh, lasers. Can't get through there either. How much to access? Okay, I'm here now. Nice. Oh, let's go. Okay. I saw fucking Mikuso. It's over there though. Oh. Oh, okay. They're activated. So, first one here. Okay. Oh, what? Oh, these are all D-line. Okay. Here we go. There's more? What the hell? Space Invaders? That is actually Space Invaders. What? Well, that's class, but like I'm gonna die though, so like that's not class. Here we go. Oh, there's more. These guys. Is there no way to... Oh, there's no way to use the freaking healing capsule. I'm cooked. This guy... Alright. Okay, that's it. Okay, thank God. Okay. Oh, there's still more. What? Spikes? What are these? Okay, I need to get up. I need to get up. Oh, he died by the spikes. What the hell is that, though? There we go. Okay. There's gonna be there's more? Oh god. Oh god. Shit. Oh, this is fucking... Oh my god, okay. I need to lock in with this. I'm cooked. Shit. Okay, let's go from here. I swear, if it's like... That was the easiest one, I swear to god. What the whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. This will be actually easier. No D-line. Oh. There we go. These guys, I hate these guys. Actually, for no reason. One button. There we go. This one. Space it, bro. These are annoying, but like I can heal at least. Okay, that just... I didn't know that it did 2 bars of HP. This one as well. ESP's everything. I'm gonna buy this as well. Bruh. Okay. We're risking that. Spikes. God damn! There we go. Oh god. Oh, these guys. Oh, these orbs. Okay. Minions. There's a lot. It's gonna keep on jumping me yet. I'm gonna reach him. There we go. It's gonna be more. Shit. Not risking it. I'm not risking it. I'm on 1 bar. You can't be doing this. Okay, they really did it. Okay, switch. Wait, you have to wait for them. Of course I have to. There you go. Okay, which... Okay. Keep this thing. Okay, guy left. There we go. Alright. Wait. Let's go beat it.
Let's go and read it.
Shit. Should change. There we go. There we go. We're gonna switch now. These guys. I can still use this though. Oh, ESP's running low. Okay. Oh shit, spikes. There we go. Oh, is the middle one's gone. Heal. Okay, switch to this. Okay. Switch again. Yep, okay. There we go. Okay, let's get a switch now too. Okay, melee. What? Why is it not working? Parries are not working. Shit! What is happening? Yo, fuck off. Okay. What's this? Just in case. Oh no. Okay, I need a stall for ESP. Oh wait, they're dead. Dodge. Shit. Oh, nice. I did it. First try.
First try.
This may take a while. I'll come back to this. I will.